Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we'll talk about firstOrCreate and createOrFirst methods in Laravel. A new method has been added in Laravel 10.21 in this version here called createOrFirst. Most of us knows firstOrCreate, and now let's show the difference between them. Actually, in the logic they execute the same code, but we will dive into the code structure for them. So here, for example, I have newsletter subscribers table, right, for user who wants to subscribe to my newsletter as an example, and I have this email and it's unique index here for email, and even I will show the migration newsletters here. The email column is unique to prevent duplications, and if I try to subscribe here using this email, send request, it's success. Now I have this email here in my database, and if I retry to send it again, the same result without duplication. I'm using here firstOrCreate. Let's use createOrFirst method here, or first, and send the same request and the same result without any problem. Here no duplications also. Now let's go to builder inside Eloquent, and here is our firstOrCreate method in 10.21 version. First of all, it tries to get it using where, right? So something like this, our model here, where email, for example, email here equal to our email, then first. If exists, then return it. If not, use createOrFirst method. So all roads lead to Rome, you know, here. If doesn't exist, it will use createOrFirst method, which added in Laravel 10.21. and here is how does this method work. First, it tries to create, right, and after creating it returns the created model, and if it faces any violation or unique constraint exception, it will return the first result. It will use it here again, this part here, right? So now I will show you using create, and I will send the request again. This email already exists, I must get this exception here, constraint unique violation exception here, and if I open my builder again, see we have the same exception here inside createOrFirst method. So if you face this exception inside catch, then return the first record like firstOrCreate method. Now you may ask which one to use. Actually, the answer of this question is already on Laravel news here, firstOrCreate vs createOrFirst, and by the end of the article they said here you can continue using firstOrCreate, but if you have heavy traffic or tons of traffic, it's preferred to createOrFirst. One last thing I want to show to you. Here I have another project with all the Laravel version. If I open it here, this one I think, yes, if I said artisan about, it's 10.12, not 21, and here is the implementation of firstOrCreate in all the version before 10.21. It tries to create or find first, then if it doesn't find it, it will create, and this may face a violation in case of high traffic applications. It is quickly the difference between firstOrCreate or createOrFirst methods. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share and subscribe. See you in next videos.